I'm a sippy cup girl now too. I just do everything the big girls do. Yeah, except for choke myself sometimes. Oh, oh, you're getting yourself. Whoa, easy. Yummy juice, huh? Whoa.
Apple juice in her hair. Dripping off her head. Yummy.
Mm. Whoa. You got a lot to say to the cup, don't you?
She's having a hard time balancing. Look at her.
Oh, you're spilling. You're spilling. There you go. Hey, don't get mad with me, Missy. We go straight to timeout. Whoops. Okay, 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 okay. That's enough.